Greetings everyone, my name is Samarth and today I'm here to present my project Paint with Friends. So what is Paint with Friends? Paint with Friends is a multiplayer drawing game which uses socket.io as its base. All events are transmitted and received via socket.io. There are three different modes here. The first one is co-paint mode, where two people can draw on the same canvas at the same time. The second one is tag team mode, where there are two different canvases for two people, but at halftime they switch their canvases. The third mode is Kaleidoscope mode, where there are four people and they can partially see what the others are drawing. The final result can be minted as an ERC1155 NFT. This will only happen if all the people vote yes. Only members of the room who have participated in the drawing can mint those NFTs. This is co-paint mode, where there are two people drawing on the same canvas. This is tag team mode, where canvases will switch, and this is Kaleidoscope mode. This person can see this canvas fully, but only sees parts of the other people's canvases, like so. I'm using Web3 auth to generate wallets and carry out transactions using them. I'm using sign protocol for attesting to the votes. Each attestation will contain the addresses of the people in the room. The NFT contract is deployed on Morph. I'm emitting an event in my contract so that I can query it using NVO. This is still a work in progress. Another idea was to use Galadriel AI to judge people's drawings and also give them topics. But I guess the testnet was down when I was trying to deploy the contract. Now let me show you a demo. This is what the landing page looks like. It is a cartoony, doodly kind of a theme, but it does not stay like this throughout the app since I was running out of time. I'll hit start here. These three modes show up and I got signed in using Web3 auth. Let me open my console here. User info object contains my information. So I'll keep this console open and I'll demo tag team. Once this page gets loaded, we get this automatically. I'll join a room, but let me just duplicate this tab. And for the sake of this demo, I'll use a different address over here. I'll join room 1. It says you will get 90 seconds, but again, for the sake of this demo, I've cut down the time to around 10 seconds. So I'll join the same room, like here. And I'll just draw something. Remember, the canvases will be switching. Yeah, and they've switched. So go back, yeah. This is the final image that is obtained. Below it is asking us, do you want to make this an NFT? I'll click on sure over here. So I'll go to my other tab and I'll click on yes. This will call a function in my backend which will create an attestation, and yeah, we get an attestation ID over here. I'll go back to my page and yeah, it is sending a transaction. It will create the NFT and yeah, we receive a confirmation and we get that our token ID is 10. So now I'll go to the minting page and I'll mint my NFT. As you can see over here again, this is the address that was generated by Web3 auth. I'll click on mint, the transaction is going through and yeah, the transaction was successful. Let's check if it was actually minted to us. I'll copy my address from way over here and I'll call this function. Yeah, this is false because we're only allowed to mint our NFT once. Let's do balance of. Copy my thing over here, I'll do this. Yeah, it says 1. So our NFT successfully got minted. Also, a function ran in our backend which created the metadata, uploaded it to IPFS via Pinata, and then updated a mapping in our contract. This one. This will take in the token ID and give back the CID. Let's check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, this works perfectly. So let's go and check the other modes now. I'll join this room and join the same room. Here you can see it side by side. So whatever I draw gets drawn on both canvases. Once the game ends, we get this other picture, and I'll implement the same functions over here as well. Now let's check Kaleidoscope mode. Yeah, as you can see, we can only see the other people's canvases partially. I'll just draw something here, draw something here. This is the image that we get. Again, the same functions will apply here too. We can see the attestation over here. If I hit reload, yeah, this is the attestation that we just did and I forgot to show you guys. So yeah, that was Paint with Friends and I still have some time remaining, so let's see how much I can complete it. Thank you so much for watching.